Meaning of first aid.
First aid.
First aid.
First aid.
First aid. First aid refers to the immediate assistance provided to an individual who has been injured or has suddenly taken ill. It involves initial medical treatment, typically administered before professional medical help arrives. The purpose of first aid is to preserve life, prevent further injuries, and promote recovery. Basic first aid skills may include CPR, wound care, and the management of medical emergencies such as heart attacks or strokes. Properly administered first aid can greatly improve a person's chances of survival and recovery, making it a crucial component of emergency response efforts.